Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Trishna, and in today's video I'm going to create this glamorous makeup look using all of the affordable makeup range. So without doing a lot of talking, let's get started. First things first has to be a moisturizer. Here I'm using the Dot & Key's Ceramide moisturizer, followed by L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour luminous foundation. Now I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about this. You can see how amazing the coverage is. It just looks like my second skin, but even better. Next step would be to offer a concealer to hide those dark circles. Here I'm using the Milagro Beauty's concealer. Now I really like this concealer because this is not just hydrating but doesn't leave any sort of patchiness that I have found in a lot of concealers. Setting my under eyes with the must have setting powder. Now unfortunately this one is discontinued, but I still love using it. If you have oily skin, this one would be perfect. Setting all of it with the Iba's must have setting spray. Going in with blusher, which is from Mars. You can see how little I've taken and it is highly pigmented, but you need to work really quickly with this particular blush or else it will become kind of patchy. Next would definitely be Mars's brow pencil. Now I like to brush my brows and just fill very little parts of my brows, just the places where I have bald spots, and brush it off again to give more defined and chiseled look. Next I'm using this Swiss Beauty pencil lip liner, which was an impulsive purchase from Blinkit. I don't remember the shade, but I'm going to link down all the products that I have used. And to finish off the look, I'm using L'Oreal's lipstick. I don't know why again a lot of people are not talking about this chiffon lipstick from L'Oreal. The shade I've used is 222 and I'm completely obsessed with it. In fact, the extra that is left on my fingers, I'm going to use it as my eyeshadow and sealing everything again with the must have setting spray. I guess glamorous look would be incomplete without a mascara. Here I'm using Iba's Black N Bold mascara. You can see how voluminous my eyelash look just with 2 coats of mascara. You can see the difference between the right and the left, and this is the final look using all of the affordable makeup range. What do you guys think? Do let me know in the comments below. I've listed down all the products that I have used. Do let me know if you want me to make more such videos, and till the time I come back, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.